Okay, so first things first, we're gonna start with the skin. We want our skin to look very pale with our foundation. I'm gonna start with light actually and see what that looks like. So we're gonna take this and we're just gonna sort of get the whole face flat and matte and thick. This is crazy. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of my Fair Quick Fix foundation and concealer, and I'm really gonna get around this sort of, you know, any area that needs a little extra whiteness. I'm not worrying about going too much around my eye area because we're gonna take that and make it really super dark. And okay, so now we're gonna get our eyes looking very deep and scary and creepy and like you haven't slept in ages. So for most of us moms out there, just looking like we normally do. Okay, I'm gonna start with my shadow stick in Slate. I'm gonna take that and I'm just gonna go all around the eye area and just create a round shape. And obviously don't be afraid to take it way down low. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take my shadow stick in Storm, which is a very dark gray with a little bit of shimmer, because even mommy vampiruses would like a little bit of shimmer around the eye area. Take that and go over this as well. And again, just getting that really round shape around the eye area. Don't be afraid to kind of go in. And with these shadow sticks, it's so easy because they're really creamy, so you can really kind of just create any shape you want. Now, I'm going to take a little bit of this sort of like brownish grayish shadow here from my Mally's Mattes palette, and I'm gonna kind of just sort of soften around the edges. And it's okay if you add a little bit of those brownie tones. Don't be afraid. They don't all have to be black and gray. Now I'm gonna take my black Midnight eyeliner, which again, really is gonna stay all day, and we're just gonna go to town. All around the eye area, top lash line, bottom lash line. Make sure you get those inner rims. And I'm gonna bring it down a little bit and a little bit down the middle here to kind of like make your eye look more tired. So creating a shape of like almost like a triangle underneath. The great thing about this look too is you don't need a lot of precision. Believe it or not, I am gonna do a little bit of an eyebrow just to kind of fill in. I'm probably gonna mix in a little bit of that Storm gray into the brow with a brush, just so it looks a little bit colder, because this brow pencil is warmer. Your daughter or son could probably do this for you easily, because really, it's not a lot of precision. All right, so now I'm gonna take that same Storm shadow stick, and I'm just gonna use a brush, not that brush, use this brush, and I'm going to kind of just get a little bit of that dark grayness and fill in. So great thing about this Storm shadow stick, you're gonna use it in lots of places. Using it in your brows, using it in your eyes. I'm about to use it to contour as well. So, speaking of contour, you ready? We're gonna take it and we're gonna start to sculpt out the face. Using my fingers. I want it to be a little bit messy and not so perfect. You almost want it to just kind of like look like you really, almost like a messy vampire. A little bit here. All right. This shadow stick is everything. It's making it so easy. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit of a lash, just for kicks and giggles. Okie dokie. Now, I'm not even gonna put mascara on. You absolutely can. Obviously, 100% of the time that I put lashes, I will use, I will curl my lashes first and then put my mascara on and then do my lash. But for this, obviously, I don't care if I have that gorgeous wide-eyed look. I just want a little bit of interest and a little bit of pop. Okay, so now, guess what? I'm gonna use that same Storm Shadow Stick and I'm gonna use it as a lipstick. It's more like a monster. And now I'm gonna use the black eyeliner as my lip liner. I also like the fact that we're using just like basically one or two things to create this whole look, which again, as mommies and daddies, it's very, very easy to do, because that's the other thing too. Let's be honest. When getting everybody else ready on that night, the last thing you're thinking about is yourself. But if your kids are like mine, they're like, well, Mom, where's your costume? Daddy, where's yours? Very easy. Now, let's go get Daddy Vampire. So, we're gonna show you, obviously you saw how I did mine, very fast, using minimal product. We're gonna do that for you too. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. So.
Have you got any vampire anti-wrinkle cream or some make me young, skin beautiful potion?
Vampires don't have wrinkles. We're gonna start with our neutralizing primer. You were a model for many years, so you're used to this getting makeup put on, right?
Yes,
it's not,
I do recall.
You're so clean shaven today. It's very joyful. We're going to start with our Flawless Finish Transforming Effect Foundation in Fair. So we're going to take you and we're going to really kind of lighten you up. I was saying when I was doing my thing, that this goes against everything that I believe in.
I'm not the Nicole Kidman of the world, am I?
No. You are very, very, you have a nice sort of redneck.
Sort of redneck.
Well, you say it, not me, not me.
I do have a redneck. I mean, you want to get to it.
You actually do. Well, we need to trim those eyebrows. Okay.
Girl, I missed that grooming moment.
Guys, out there, if you're watching, take, what do you call it, note from Mr. Phil. He is very good. It's all those years of being in front of the camera, right? You take, yeah.
You don't want to say, get the hair out of your ears in front of like a whole set of people.
I think that this is actually good enough. Okay, so now we're gonna do your eyes. We're gonna use some shadow sticks. So
now, is my face and my neck supposed to be the same?
Oh.
Now in the makeup world we're talking about?
You have a costume.
It goes all the way up to my neck. It's this high?
You're a vampire. So I'm taking this slate matte gray, and this is really, you know, the great thing about this is you can. It's almost a little drag queen.
Woo, girl! You said vampire.
Okay, so now what we're doing is, again, we're creating a circular shape. There's no you don't have to worry.
Now that I'm not used to.
What?
All that under my eyes like that's very sensitive. May I have a tissue, please? Oh, a paper towel. Why don't you hand me some sandpaper?
Diva on the set!
Sandpaper!
Diva! You see all of this around me? This is the Storm Shadow Stick. Close one. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take that, go on top and build that sort of ombre effect. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this black liner and we are going to just go on your top lash line, and I will spare you going in the inner rim.
Oh, thank you.
Because I do know that you do not enjoy that. Look up for me. It would look better if you let me do it.
But would it look better and prove bulletproof if I, my eyes start watering when you stick that thing in my eye?
It would, but...
Let's not do that. I won't be able to get it out.
All right.
I have to go to the gym in 30 minutes, so...
Really?
Yeah.
You didn't tell me that. I'm
gonna scare the hell out of some folks in the gym.
Oh my God. You gotta keep me abreast of these situations.
I am unaware of these situations.
Okay, there. Looking good. Yes. I feel like we are going to contour you. You have to look like me. So you're going to take it. And this is the great part. These, again, not to be crazy, but they're so creamy that you literally just draw it right on the face. And the thing I like is you're going to just pat it in. Oh, yes. This is looking good. Okay, so we're kind of on the done side, but I feel like, yeah, almost like we have to do our blood, but in the meantime, I feel like we should probably put this on.
Oh, I'm a caveman.
Oh, wait, I don't know if you're going to be able to see.
I'm a caveman. Oh, I've got a, oh my God. Oh my God.
It's so high.
It's a conehead. It's a vamp conehead. Eddie Munster. Yeah.
Here's our paper. You look really scary. Okay, wait. Let's do our liquid blood capsules.
Do I have to bite them?
I don't know. We have to read the directions. And we have to put your costume. Hold on. You ready? This is a onesie. Just put it on right on top of your outfit.
What the hell?
There, yeah.
But where is everything?
This is the head.
I got an arm through what?
No. Here. So you see there's an arm here. Here, put your arm in here.
Wait, don't yell at me.
Oh, I think this is small. Oh.
This is great.
Hold on. His arm goes here. How does this go?
This goes
Wow.
on the front. So
This is very
I
nice.
told you. This is very professional. Okay, and now...
Oh, get the wig. The wig is fabulous.
This
The wig is like,
I'm not going to lie, I got this on clearance.
I can tell.
no.
Stand right here and show. Yeah.
There should be authorities that don't allow stuff like this
Okay,
to happen
and now
to
I'm going
husbands.
to do my wig.
Yeah, man. What time's the show start?
You look terrible, by the way. Stupid. And mine,
Oh, check
how
you
does
out.
mine look?
I got a honey showing up, yo. Woo!
This
Give me some blood, girl.
This is terrible. So, you know what? We're doing our best here. Are you ready for the liquid blood capsules?
I am.
All right, it says easy to use. Cut off top, bite down.
It's in your mouth.
You have to eat it? Is this safe?
Ah.
Are these gluten-free? Megan, where did you buy these?
No.
Whole Foods.
These are not Whole Foods. Exactly. Why does it have to be in my mouth?
Because that's where the blood comes from, babe. It's a. Where? Wait a second. Where are your teeth?
Right here. All right, we're gonna do it together.
How you? Did you just stick it in your? Oh, you still got it in your hand. Can you bite down with that? Can you bite down with that?
Oh no.
Oh, this is gonna be interesting.
Oh my God! No, you don't put the whole thing.
What do you do?
You don't put the whole thing in your mouth.
What do you do? Oh no! Somebody busted my lip.
Okay, that's enough.
Wow! I'm hungry.
That's enough. Ew, it's all on my fingers. Okay, quick, take a picture. It's a problem.
This is not
Can you pull my lip shoulder?
I can't pull your lip. Oh, don't smell. Oh, this was real easy.
Okay. So, this is how you do a quick and easy. Quick and easy, mom and dad. Oh, this blood
It's terrible.
it tastes terrible.
Don't put the blood in.
So this is, don't put the blood in your mouth. That, oh no, look, it looks like a gum disease.
Oh, you do. You've been flossing too hard.
This is how you do the quick and easy mom and dad makeup video. Ugh, this tastes terrible.
Yeah.
You look scary.
Yeah.
Happy Halloween from our family to yours. We love you very, very much. And remember, stay bourgeois. We love you. See you later.